Hello everyone. I want to teach you a fun game called the rain cloud game. We're learning all about saving water, and so we are going to make some little rain clouds and match the number of raindrops to the number on the clouds. So what you need to make for this lesson, you need to draw some raindrops, maybe ask someone at home to help you. It's a bit tricky. And then after that, you're going to use a crayon and you're going to color in using the side of the crayon so that you can quickly color in all your raindrops. If you have blue paper, you can just do it on blue paper. Now the other thing you need to do is use some more scrap paper, some white paper, and make cloud shapes. And we're going to make a lot of them, so ask mom or dad or someone at home to help you cut a whole bunch of cloud shapes. Now, I've already put numbers on mine, and I want you to put numbers on it from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You already recognize 1, 2, and 3 really well. Then once you have done that, the game we're going to play is very fun. Take all those little raindrops, scatter them around, and you're going to do it as fast as you can. Put a number 6 down, and as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Good job. 6 raindrops. And another number. What number is that? 4. Very good. As fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another one. What number is that? Number 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going with all the numbers and do it as fast as you can. Once you're done, jumble up the rain in a big rainstorm and do it all over again as fast as you can. See if you can beat your time. Another thing you can do with your numbered clouds is to put them in a line in order of their numbers. So let's jumble them all out. They're all jumbled. And now let's see, where is our number 4? Where's the first number? Number 4. Very good. Put it down. Where's our next number? Number 5. Very good. Put it next. And our next one, number 6. It's very good to search for the numbers. It's a pre-reading skill. It's helping you to get your eyes ready for reading. Now put your number 6 down. Your next number, number 7. There we go. Your next one, number 8 or number 9. Which one comes after 7? Number 8. Very good. And then number 9. Good job. And you have now made a number line out of the clouds. 4, 5. Ooh. Pick up your number line that you made on the ruler the other day and check your numbers. That's always a very good idea. Let's see. My 4 is the right way around. My 5 is the right way around. I made a mistake with number 6. Turn it around. That's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Check number 7. Yes. Number 8 and number 9. And that's why it's so good to have your number line always ready to check. Another thing you can do with your raindrops, lay them all out. And now I want you to lay them out from 1 to 10. So like this. Put 1 in very neat lines. Here's your next column. 2 raindrops on top of each other. Your next one is 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Your next one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see my columns are in very straight lines? And my rows of raindrops are in perfectly straight lines too. That's very important. So make sure you're doing it very neatly and carefully. It's not a rush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And so on until you get to 10. Once you've got them all the way up to 10, I've only gone up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you can go all the way to 10, I want you to get your numbers out from your number line, and then we're going to label it. This is 1, 2, 3. Can you see there's 1 drop under 1, 2 under 2, 3 under 3, 4, 5, 6, And 7 doesn't even fit on here. I don't have space. I'm just going to rest it like that. Now, whoop, that's okay. Now you can go all the way up to 10. I didn't have space on the table, but I want you to see if you can spot the pattern. Can you see that it looks like I could take a step down the staircase? Ding, 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 all the way down to the bottom. The pattern is that one more step every time gets us to go up. One more than 1 is 2. 1 more than 2 is 3. 1 more than 3, 1, 2, 3 is 4. 1 more than 4, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5. And now that you know 1 more, if we start at 7, what is 1 less than 7? Look, it's in line with the next one. That gives you the answer. 6. Very good. Let me test you on another one. What is 1 less than 4? If I take one of the 4 ones away, it's the same as this one. 1, 2, 3. 1 less than 4 is 3. Very good. Now, there are lots of different ways you can use these raindrops, and I want to see some of them. Please send me a picture of you playing this with your mom or dad or granny at home, and send me a picture so that I can see how much fun you're having. I want to show you a fun game that I'm going to call spoons. So get a whole bunch of spoons. You need at least 6. Lay them out. Lay them out nicely, and you need a dice. Now, you're going to roll the dice, shout out the number 4, and then quickly 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll again. Now put them back. What do we get? We got another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, a way to make this game really fun is if you play with somebody else and there aren't enough spoons for everyone to grab. So whoever grabs the right number first wins. But the catch is, if you catch the wrong amount, if you just grab all of them because you don't want to lose, then you lose a point. So you need to make sure you first check what the number is, say the number, and then take the spoons. 1. There would be enough for each of us to get 1. 4. There's not enough for each of us, so I would grab 1, 2, 3, 4. And if the other person wasn't quick enough, if you weren't quick enough, you only got 1. So see how many. If you run out of utensils, maybe get some forks. Don't use the knives, they're a little bit dangerous. And see if you enjoy this game with someone at home. Enjoy!